Welcome back to my Palworld with FFmpeg series. This is a little project series that I have where I'm trying to learn about FFmpeg while also playing Palworld. I figured it's a fun little combination to make videos about. So in my last video, I spent an obscene amount of time cropping the thumbnail off of the base image, the landing page of Palworld. In this one, I ended up creating a tiny little recording, which is going to end up being a throwaway. But what I can do with it is basically learn how to concatenate. We're going to do two things actually. We're going to create a video out of two images. So I'm going to use this command to do that. We learned about creating thumbnails in 2 videos ago. So I'm going to use this command to pull out the images from exact timestamps and I'm going to create 2 different images, maybe a third one. And then what we're going to do is combine those images into one video with 1 second delay. So let me pull up the video I had before, and then let me find a couple locations where I think it'd be kind of cool to pull out. Right, this could be good, or I could display my huge collection of eggs here. That's kind of cool. That's also pretty neat. Okay, maybe I don't want that. Towards the end there, I was doing a pretty scenic view. Maybe I can crop one of these out. Maybe do like a story like this, dark, this one. Let's do this one. I keep coming back to this one. So we'll mark the timestamp as 3 minutes and 59 seconds. And then what I'm going to do is bring up my other terminal here. And I'm going to minimize this just slightly so that we can see what we're copying here. And I am simply going to use this command, to grab the shot at 3 minutes and 59 seconds. Okay, so that'll be our image 1. We'll call it image 1. Let's make it into here. Oh no. Okay, I know why. There's no output. I had I gotta call this throwaway. Perfect. So let's see, the image that I captured for us should be the one we saw. There we go. That's perfect. Now let's find another one. Ice. Whoa. Maybe not that one. Yeah. Maybe I'll show off my huge eggs. There we go. Huge egg collection. Here, we'll go back. 3 minutes and 12 seconds. Why not? We'll take 3 minutes and 12 seconds. We'll go backwards this time. Backwards in time. Or, you know what? I could just do 3 minutes and 12 seconds. Just name this something slightly different. But not going to do that. I'm going to make it 2. All right. That should be our second image. So we got this shot. We got this shot. Oh, that's not the one we wanted. Well, that's a bummer. You know what? It's possible that I opened it at 3 minutes and 13 seconds, just off by a little bit. So we can just override the image, and look at that. We have the huge egg. But I'm not satisfied with that either, because you can clearly see, I want to show off it's a huge egg. How else would people know what kind of egg this is? Right? How else would they know it's a huge egg? So maybe if it's not 13, then let's try and capture frame 14. All right. Oh no, that's okay. Okay. You know, I'm going to live a little dangerously here. Dangerous. Nah, I couldn't do it. Couldn't do it. Could not do this. Let's see. I'm typing into Google Machine right now. Okay. You know what I can actually do? I can actually do is milliseconds. Can actually do milliseconds, believe it or not. Huh. Okay. Go away. Valid option. It's telling. Oh, I know what I got wrong. Okay, it's a dot. You can just use a dot to do it. So it may not show on here, but I bet you anything I could do 20. Oh, that's a little too far. I think we went a little too far there. Okay. 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 It's going to test me again. Wow. Wow. Okay. Going to do 8.8. This better be it. It's not. Okay. 20 was not it. 30. I feel like this is just overshooting it. See, I don't think it was 30. 3 minutes and 30 seconds. $13. That's why I can't get it. It's 13. My friends. 13. Not 14. 13. There we go. Got it. Perfect. All right. I don't think I have time to do all of them. So I'm just going to concatenate these two videos or images together. Let's see. So show each image for exactly 1 second. 1 second slide. Now we just have to make sure we get the name right. So dot. I'll do the numbered ones in another one. All right. So we get. Oof. This could be a problem because I did not intend to do this at all. Okay. It's okay. We'll just ask the Google machine how to do this. The Google machine always knows. All right. I want to concat. Maybe I just move the two images with the name image1.png. Highly recommended. Two image slide images.txt. Oh, okay. So it's telling me to create a text file in the location. So what did it say? File create images.txt, place the name of the images, duration, and then concatenate them together. Seems like according to the Google machine, this seems to be the best approach for doing this. So images.txt, and I am going to concatenate these here. So let's do that. Maybe I'll run my concatenate commands inside the VS Code terminal here. Okay, so it's not a thing. Okay, got it. Oh man, I did not mean for it to go on this long. This is clearly me not being prepared here, so I don't know what to say. But this is also good. I'm kind of learning to do something different and having to adjust. This is not how I wanted this video to go at all. My expectations were it would be very smooth. I'd just type it in. And yeah, we could have just gone from there, but no. That's not what's going to happen. Anyways, we found a new method of doing this, which honestly I don't mind at all. I do not mind because I feel like I can change this around. I can do whatever I want. So might be okay with this. Let's see. Methodology. Okay. There's a video. Here you go. 2 image slides. Well, that's not a lot. Oh. Okay. Well, I guess I have another thing to finish, but if it's not that, if no file needed. Okay. Let's ask it to fix it. Due to a quirk in a FFmpeg's concat demuxer. So, it's not going as well, but I'm also learning. So, I don't know. Let's see. We'll keep going. I have purposely not chosen to remove things out of a video just yet. I think I'm just going to keep going and force myself to adjust, be better prepared so that I don't have to do quite as much cutting. Part of it is just learning and being prepared ahead of time. When using a text file to concatenate images, FFmpeg requires you to repeat the very last file at the end of the text list. Without that final duplicate entry, FFmpeg drops the last image instantly, calculating the total video length as 1 second. This happens due to a quirk in FFmpeg's concatenate demuxture. Okay. Update your images.txt file. Easiest fix. Open your images, modify it to repeat the last image at the bottom. Do not put in a duration line under that. Okay, we learned something. Always be learning. ABL. Okay. So our hope here is that this one works like a charm. There it goes. All right, yes. Yes. Okay, no errors. Fantastic. Let's turn it on. Oh, we did it. We did it. That actually worked. Let's look at that. All right. Well, I think I'll cut it here for this one and try to be better prepared for the next one.